Good day, my name is Dwanel DNLR.
And I'm Niels van As, and we are the directors of Dwanel and the creators of the DNLR 101 drone. Like many of you, we have entered this competition, not only to have our ideas recognized, and more importantly, critiqued, but because we want to contribute towards a greener future.
Due to our busier lifestyles and the global pandemic, people have changed their buying habits and will more likely purchase online than visit stores or a place of business. The fact has inspired companies like Amazon to invest heavily in delivery drone technology. But what about medical operations or military?
While the DNLR 101 UAV wasn't necessarily developed to replace the traditional transportation methods just yet, but with its 10 kilogram cooling payload, range and speed, hospitals and doctors can gain quick access to organs for transplant patients and or medications such as antivenom. The range allows it to reach remote villages to deliver COVID-19 vaccines or military supplies and support items.
Why did we not just go electric? Firstly, the battery systems available today are heavy and unpractical for flight, whereas hydrogen is lighter. Furthermore, lithium mining is devastating to the environment and human rights, with claims of child labor and unregulated practices.
By using a solar AEM electrolyzing system to create hydrogen, we can achieve a true emission-free delivery system. Not only that, but the payload is kept cool by the hydrogen during flight. The same hydrogen is used to fuel the turbine engines, and due to its high combustion propensity, results in more range and higher speeds, up to 600 kilometers per hour.
Once fully developed and in operation, the second step is to build a network of refueling stations across the world, allowing for delivery anywhere in the world, and not just the world. The construction methods, materials, and hydrogen propulsion even allow for the drone to do deliveries to the International Space Station. The DNLR 101 will prove that the sky is not the limit.
Hydrogen's low density, high specific heat, and thermal conductivity make it a superior coolant for this application. Plus, it's abundant and therefore relatively inexpensive. While on the topic of money, unmanned aerial vehicles, more popularly known as drones, are expected to generate $82 billion of investment and economic growth by the year of 2025, along with creating more than 100,000 new jobs.
Despite recent regulations, the Federal Aviation Administration has already issued hundreds of waivers to companies interested in commercial drones for delivery. While it's easy to see how these drones will impact most industries, they will have the greatest impact on supply chain and logistics.
Ultimately, while the drone industry is expanding, why not do so in a truly sustainable method? While the DNLR 101 is still in its concept stage, we hope that the next time we speak, we can showcase its first flight.
Thank you for your time and joining us on our journey. Enjoy the rest of your conference.